Start. Don't write down this question, no problem. See this. It will be part A. Part A will be MCQ. Part A will be MCQ. This will carry 20 marks. Part A will be MCQ. That so there will be question number 1 3 marks. It will be MCQ, multiple choice. Question number 2 3 marks. Don't write 3 marks. Question number 4 4 marks. Question number 5 4 marks. So it is 20 marks. Correct? Wait. No, it is not. One more question. Question number 4 is also 3 marks. Then question number 5, it is 4 marks. Question number 6, it is 4 marks. So it is not 20 marks. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 8 is 20 marks. So part A will be 20 marks objective. It will be objective 20 marks. Clear? It will be MCQ. Then part B will be descriptive. Means you have to write and upload. Part B will be descriptive. Means you have to write and you have to write and upload. Write and upload. Write and upload. So the pattern will be same. Question number 1 3 marks. Question number 2 3 marks. Question number 3 3 marks. Question number 4 3 marks. Question number 5 4 marks. And question number 6 will be 4 marks. Same pattern, but only the difference is part A will be MCQ, means 4 options will be given. You have to click one correct answer. And part you have to just take the photograph and upload it, how you have done earlier, my dear. Yes, both the way it is available. You can upload PDF, you can upload single PDF, you can upload, just take the photograph and upload it. How you have done for terminal 1, the same way you have to do. Yes, understood? Now let us start revision. What is the number whose 24% is 96? Start solving. What is the number? Now you have to start, my dear. I will not do anything. You have to start. You have to do this. My dear. Revision, we are doing revision only. No, first question I have already given on the board. What is the number whose 24% is 96? Then second one. No, I will take all the chapters. One question from all the chapters. Write down no. I am going to take one question from all the chapter, my dear. Then second question. 2x plus 12. 2x plus 12 is equal to 3 minus x. 3 minus x. Find x. Find x. Then third question. My dear, already I have sent you the earlier video. Board is very much clear, my dear. Yes. Now it is very much clear. Now everything is proper. You see the You don't have trust over me. Several times I am telling you, I will say that. My dear, have full trust on me. My dear. Start solving, no? I have written what is the number whose 24% is 96. First question. Second is 2x plus 12 is equal to 3 minus x. Find x. We'll do that. My dear, part A MCQ I am going to erase because that is already the pattern, it is already given. How long? My dear, how long time? Find median of. Yes, everything I will explain. Find median of the following. Find median of the following. Find median of the following. Nine 26 32. 9 26 32. 51 7 16 37. Find median of the following. Now let us start one by one. Let us start. First one answer I am going to solve it now. My dear, let us start with one, no? Then we'll see. Because let us start one. Solution of first one. What is the number whose 24% is 96? So we write, let x be the number. Let x be the number. That x. Board is very much clear. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now it is clear. Wait. Now it is clear. Let x be the number. So, what is the number whose 24% means 24% of x is equal to 96. Arey my dear, 24% of x is 24% of x is 96. Now let us solve this. 24% means, what do you mean by 24%? 24 upon 100. Of means multiplication. X is equal to 96. Now let us solve this. 24 upon 100 into x. X I can write x upon 1. Then 96 I can write 96 upon 1. No problem. Now this is 24 upon 100 is one fraction. X upon 1 is another fraction. And between them there is multiplication. So whenever there is multiplication of two fractions, you have to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So numerator I will multiply, denominator I will multiply. So that will be 24 into x upon 100 into 1 is equal to 96 upon 1. Let us simplify this side. Now what is, so this will be 24 into x upon, what is 100 into 100 is equal to 96 upon 1. Now this is one fraction. 24 into x upon 100 is one fraction, 96 upon 1 is another fraction. Between them we have equality. So whenever there is equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. Whenever there is equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. So what you will get? Cross multiply. So cross multiply these two. So 24 into x, 24 into x into 1 is equal to 96 into 100. 96 into 100. Now this side, now this side 24 is there in the multiplication. This is my left hand side, and this is my right hand side. On left hand side 24 is there in the multiplication. It is clear, right? On left hand side 20, so 24 is there on the left hand side, 24 is there in the multiplication. So 24 will go in the division. So you will get x into 1 will be x. X is equal to 96 into 100 upon 24. Now you can cancel. 24 4s are 96. 24 4s are 96. No. 24 4s are 96. It is 24. It is not 25. So 4 into 100. What is left? 24 4s are. So x is equal to 4 into 100. So answer is x is equal to 400. 400 is the answer. Yes, 400 is the answer. Now go for solving second. Go for solving second. In this 2x plus 12 is equal to 3 minus x. Yes. My dear, we have 96 in the numerator, no? 96 and 24. 24 4s are 96. 24 4s are 96. Then what is left? 4 into 100. That is 400. 2x plus 12 is equal to 3 minus x. Simplify. This part I can erase. Okay. Right. 24 into x into 1. 24 into x into 1. Cross multiply, no? 24 into x into 1 is equal to 96 into 100. Simplify it. Yes. Yes. Very good. Go for third one. Now let me erase this part so that I can simple. My dear, from our side board is extremely clear. It is very much transparent. Let us solve second one. 2x plus 12 is equal to 3 minus. Let me write, no. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Now on left hand side, first answer is 400. Wait. Now on left hand side we take all the variables. 2x and x, they are like term. So this minus x, I will take it on the left hand side, it will become plus x. 2x plus x is equal to 3. It is not plus 12. It is plus 12, no? So now it will be 3. I will take 3 minus 12. 3 minus 12 plus 12 will come minus 12. Now what is 2x plus, what do you mean by x? X means, no. X means it is 1 into x. X means 1 into x. X means 1 into x. Now 3 minus 12, 3 is having plus sign and 12 is having minus sign. Are you getting? Minus, so 12 minus 3, 9. Which number is bigger? 12 minus 9. Minus 9. Now 2x and 1x, 2x and 1x, they are, My dear, board is clear. It is clear, right? 2x plus 1x. 2x and 1x, they are like terms. So 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3. 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 1x is 3x. Okay. 2x plus 1x is 3x. 3x is equal to minus 9. Now, what do you mean by 3x? 3 into x is equal to minus 9. Now, this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. On left hand side, 3 is there in the multiplication. On left hand side, 3 is there in the multiplication. So, it will go in the division, not 3. So x is minus 9 divided by 3. So x is equal to, you can use the table, 3 3s are 9, then minus sign is there, so x is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. X is yes. Which part? Okay, let me explain second one again. See here, it is minus x on left hand side. I will take x on the right hand side, it will become plus x. 12 I will take it on the right hand side, it will become minus 12. So 2x plus x, x means 1 into x. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3x. My dear, x I can write 1 into x. X I can write 1 into x. So whenever they are like term, we add their coefficient. Coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x is 1. Between them plus sign. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3x is equal to minus 9. 3x means 3 into x. Now on left hand side, 3 is there in the multiplication, so 3 will go in the division. So minus 9 upon 3. 3 3s are 9, minus sign is there, minus 3. Second one answer is minus 3. Now find the median of 9, 26, 32, 51, 7. Yes, I am writing question. 51, 7, 16 and 37. Find median. Find median of this. So, whenever it is asked to find median, first you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So, let us write the data in ascending order. Let us write down the data in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So, what is that first? First it will be 7, then 9, then 16, then 26, then 32, then 37, then 51. We find what is n. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is odd number. 7 is odd number. So formula for median will be different. Great. Formula for median will be different. Because yes, very good. Median will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. Mute the microphone, my dear. Mute the microphone, Mukesh. Median will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. N plus 1 upon 2th term. See, this is the last period. Be in the discipline, anything should not happen, so that at the last period I will be bound to take some action. So please take care of this. So n plus 1 upon 2th term, n is 7. Yes, yes. After this, 7 plus 1 upon 2th term. 7 plus 1 upon 2th term. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 upon 2th term. 8 upon 2th term. What is 8 upon 2? 2 4s are 8. So that is 4th term. Median will be 4th term of the observation. What is the 4th? Yeah, and see my dear, you have to see the ascending order data, not given data. Ascending order 4th term. 1, 2, 3, 4. 26, my dear. You are seeing this data, which is wrong. This is not in the ascending order. 4th term of the ascending order. Third one answer. You have to see the 4th term of the ascending order. Ascending order, it is 4th term is 26. So median is 26. Median is. Third one answer is there, no, -3. Third one already I have written the answer, -3. Now 8.3, who is having doubt? Board is clear, right? Which problem? Which 4th one? Yes? No, 8.3. 8.3, which question you have having doubt? No, only one. Okay. I will write the question. 8.3, 10th one. It is 26. Now let me write this side 8.3, 4th question. Write down. No, I will write the question on the board. Then you have to write down that. Yes, you write down the question. But this question will not come in the exam because these are even number of problems. I had given homework. Even though it is her personal doubt, but we'll see this, no problem. 8.3, 10th question. 10th question. After deducting 12.5%, from actual bill, after deducting 12.5%, write down this, from the actual bill. That is what I am explaining now. Bill, the shopkeeper asked the customer to pay. Write down 8.3, 10th one. The shopkeeper asked the customer to pay. 8.3, 10th one. Ask the customer to pay. Ask the customer to pay rupees 8750. How much was the actual bill? How much was the actual bill? How much was the actual bill? It is clear? So let us write this. So we have to find the actual bill. So we let the actual bill be rupees X. Write on this. Let the actual bill be rupees X. X is the actual bill. Now what is given there? After deducting 12.5% from the actual bill. After deducting 12.5% from the actual bill. So from actual bill deduct, see deduct means making less. Deduct means making less. From actual bill X, we deduct. Deduct means minus. How much? 12.5% of the actual bill. Minus 12.5%. 12.5% of X. Then after deducting 12.5% from actual bill, the shopkeeper has to pay 8750 rupees. You will get this amount. So X minus 12.5% of X is 8750. So X minus, now what do you mean by 12.5%? Yes, 12.5 upon 100. Of means multiplication. X is equal to 8750. This much amount has to pay. So now let us see. So X minus, now let us remove this decimal. How you will remove this decimal of numerator? After decimal it is 1 digit. So when I will remove the decimal, in denominator there will be 1 0. Are you getting? So that will be 125 upon 1000. X is equal to 8750. I have removed the yes, because this 1 0 you can write 100. You can write 100 into 10. You can write 100 into 10, no problem. So now see this part. Actual will be rupees X. Now see here. You can cancel this. You can cancel B rupees X, not 2X. You can cancel 125 8 za 125 8 za 125 8 za 1000. You can cancel 125 8 za 1000. So what is left? X minus X upon 8 is equal to 8750. Now this X I can write X upon 1. This X I can write X upon 1. Board is clear. This X I can write X upon 1. My dear, it is B rupees X. Now what I will do, see. 125 8 za 1000 man. 125. Now see what I will do. I will take LCM of 1 and 8. What is LCM of 1 and 8? 8. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So this denominator I have to make it 8. So what I will do? Multiply X into 8 upon 1 into 8 minus X upon 8 is equal to 8750 upon 1 into X. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So I have to make denominator equal. To make denominator equal, I will take LCM of denominator. Now what is 8 into X? 8X. 8X upon 8 minus X upon 8 is equal to 8750 upon 1. Now no, because already denominator is 8, no, so there is no need to multiply. Now see here, now denominator is same, 8 denominator is same. Whenever denominator is same, we can simplify numerator. So what you will get? 8x then minus x upon 8 is equal to 8750 upon 1. Whenever denominator is same, we can simplify numerator. Now what do you mean by x? What do you mean by x? No, x, no, x, 1 into x upon 8 is equal to 8750 upon 1. Now they are 8x and 1x, they are like term. So I will simplify their coefficient. 8, this is 8. We have to, 8 and 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7x upon 8 is equal to 8750 upon 1. Now we have to, this is one fraction, this is another fraction, between them we have equality. So I have to cross multiply. So you will get 7x into 1 is equal to 8750 into 8. Now 7x into 1 means 7x. 7x is 8750. Bolo, yes. Now 7x means 7 into 7x means 7 into x. 7 into x is equal to 8750 into 8. Now on left hand side, this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. On left hand side 7 is there in the multiplication, no? On left hand side 7 is there in the multiplication. So now 7 will go in the division, no? 7 will go in the division. So you will get x is equal to 8750 into 8 upon 7. You can cancel 8750. You can divide 8750 by 7. 7 1 ja 7. Then 1 17. 7 2 ja 14. Then it is 3 35. 7 5 ja 35. Then 1 0 will come. It is 1250. So 7, you can cancel 7 1250. 1250. 7 1250. 1 minute. 7 1250. 1250. 1250 into 8. Yes, now it is clear. So 1250 into 8. X is 1250 into 8. So x will be 10,000. Just check the answer behind. So actual bill is 10,000 rupees. Just check the answer behind. Actual bill is rupees 10,000. Just check the answer behind. What is given? No, 10,000. Ah, 10,000 is the answer, my dear. Yes. You can see the video. See, if the board is clear for one student, we take it granted that there may be technical difficulty. Yes, no problem. It is very much clear. 10,000. Just check the answer behind. Who has asked the question? What is the answer behind? 10,000. 8.3, 10th answer. 10,000 is the answer. It is 10:30. Okay, now we stop here. Bye everybody. bye everybody. I must say thanks to all of